Hello friends, my name is Srinivas and I welcome you to my channel Coding Skills. As part of this video, we will learn how we can check whether the given number is a valid text number or not using a simple Java program. So let's see how we can implement the same. So in order to implement this program, I only need a import statement of the scanner, so which is from the util package. So within the main method, if you look at the examples, 2025, 3024 and 9801 are some of the examples of valid text number. So we'll see how. So instantiated a scanner object and mapped it to the input stream. Printed a message on the console. So requesting the user to enter a number to validate. Captured in a numeric variable int n sc.nextInt. Once we have the value inputted, so we are computing the number of digits. Int number of digits count equal to find digits count. There is a separate method created to calculate the digits count out of the given number. So this is a method which we are using here. This is a static method and returning a numeric value. And it is taking the input of the numeric. It's calculating here. So there is a variable declared here, int digits count, initialized with a 0. We are using a value here until we reach end of the all the digits, like int num greater than 0. For each and every iteration, we are incrementing the digits count plus plus. Num equal to num by 10. So once we are done with this while loop, so we'll be getting the digits count value computed here. And so we are simply returning this value within this method. Once you have the digits count value computed by using this method, we are performing a basic check here. If digits count percentage 2 equal to 0, that means this is we are performing a modulo operation. If this condition is true, means the given digits count is subdivisible by 2, right? Which is a even digit. Suppose this condition is not satisfied, then this will not execute the block which is there inside if, and this will go to else block. So if that condition is failed, means obviously we are simply printing a message. So n is not a valid text number. So we are simply saying that whatever the user inputted value is not a valid text number. So let's see the implementation within a if block. The first part is we need to split the given number into two equal parts, right? So digits count by 2, and we are capturing in a variable half. So this is going to get the actual how many parts, like how many equal parts, like. So once we have this value, two equal parts, the whatever the computed value, we are simply getting the value of first half and the second half within the given number. So n by integer of math dot power 10 comma half. This one is n percentage integer of math dot power 10 comma half. So these two are going to give us the first part and the second part. We observe here we are using, for the first part we are using a divisional operator, and the second part we are using a modulo operator. That's the only difference between these two statements. Once we have both the parts of the given number, we are going to perform the calculation of the sum. So int sum of parts equal to first half and the second half, whatever we have computed here. Once the sum of the parts we are ready, we are going to compute the multiplication, which is the square of the value. The square of sum equal to sum of parts multiplied by sum of parts. So this is the final computed value. We are going to check this with this one, the original number. If sum of square of the sum equal to the given number. So if this condition is satisfied, it means we can simply say that the given number is a valid text number. Suppose if this condition is failed, the else part is it is not a valid text number. So let's see by running the couple of iterations. and it is not a valid text number. 2025. 2025 is a valid text number as per this number, right? I'm going to copy it again. 2026. This is not a valid text number. 3025 is a valid text number. Is valid text number. So I'm just checking with whether these are the valid text numbers or not. So randomly if we try to enter any number, is not a valid text number, right? So this is how we can check whether the given number is a valid text number or not using a simple Java program. So please like the video and share it with your friends. In case if you are looking for any specific program, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to make that video as early as possible for you. Thank you very much once again. Bye. And looking forward for your inputs and suggestions.